Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates from around the world. Today, we're focusing on the western United States, where a massive blizzard is wreaking havoc in California and Nevada. Major roads and ski resorts have been forced to close due to the severe weather conditions, leaving over 15,000 customers without power. The Sierra Nevada region is bearing the brunt of the storm, with wind gusts reportedly reaching a staggering 190 miles per hour. Residents and visitors in the area, including the greater Lake Tahoe region, have been warned of a high to extreme avalanche danger. A power outage map reveals that nearly 15,000 customers in California and over 1,000 in Nevada are currently without electricity. On Saturday, a 75-mile stretch of the Interstate 80 highway was closed. The California Highway Patrol Office in Truckee, near the Nevada border, reported that emergency personnel and tow trucks were struggling to reach motorists due to the blizzard conditions. The mountain areas have been hit hardest by the storm, with meteorologists from the U.S. National Weather Service predicting more than 10 feet of snow at higher elevations. This could pose a life-threatening concern for those living near Lake Tahoe. Several ski resorts around the lake were closed on Friday and remained shut on Saturday, with hopes of reopening later on Sunday. Meanwhile, Yosemite National Park was closed on Friday, with visitors asked to leave by noon. The park will remain closed at least until Sunday afternoon, and possibly even longer depending on the weather conditions. Weather forecasters are urging people to stay put over the weekend, warning that it could take a significant amount of time to dig commuters out of the snow if they get stuck in the storm. In other parts of the U.S., extreme weather continues to cause problems. In Texas, wildfires are raging, with firefighters struggling to contain the massive blaze amid challenging weather conditions. Stay tuned for more updates on these developing stories.